Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. This is a sharp 2013 Chevrolet Suburban. Top of the line LTZ package. Pearl white in color. This one's got the backup camera, backup sensors, towing package. 20-inch polished aluminum wheels with some new tires. Is a very popular SUV. I don't get them very often because people hang on to them a lot longer than they used to since the new ones are so expensive. It does have a clean Carfax, non-smoker, Southern vehicle. It's got remote engine start. You just lock it, push this button, cranks right up. This one's got the heated and cool seats, air conditioning seats, got memory seat, power folding mirrors. They are heated. Got your blind spot warning system. They'll flash orange in the mirror when someone's in your blind spot. It's got some nice leather seats in good condition. Power seat, lumbar support, all-weather floor mat, automatic headlight, tilt steering, heated leather wrapped steering wheel. Got low miles for 13, 69,942. Got your cruise control, audio controls. It's got the automatic transmission with the manual mode and tow mode, trip computer, outside temperature, compass. This one's got the navigation system, AM, FM, CD, XM satellite, USB auxiliary input, you name it, it's got it. Dual climate control, passenger and driver can have their own temperature. It's got a rear climate control, adjustable power pedals, couple outlets, park assist, traction control, we mentioned that. Got some nice storage compartment, cup holder, another storage, 12-volt outlet, USB. If you're familiar with these, they all have a crack in the dash, but I fixed this. I had it done. That's about a $1,500 job between the labor and the part, but this piece and this piece is all new. They all have a defect. They crack right here. The Silverado do the same thing. But anyway, that's taken care of. Got the auto dimming rearview mirror, OnStar, universal garage door opener, power moonroof. Got the nice wood grain. Also, you've got your backup camera. And I guess let's go back to try and get the movie going. I'll just stick it back in. It's got the Bose sound system, I believe, on this one. Yep. Put the movie in here. In park, you can watch the movie on this screen too, and it's got two screens back there. So, all right, I got the original window sticker. About $61,290. That's a lot. The new ones are in the 70s, so this is tremendous saving considering the condition and the miles. For less than half of a new one. Got your captain's chair. I got a new set of headset and remote. The old ones were all messed up, so brand new set, never been used. Got your climate control back here. Got heated seat for the back people. Back passenger, I meant. There's your screen. Third seat. These fold. Got a power lift gate. You just squeeze this, it opens. You can do it with the remote. Nice cargo space. You can take the seats out or fold them forward. Here's your, how about that, 2 TVs. Got another outlet. It's in real good shape. The outside's pretty nice. There's a few little scratches and touch-up spots right here. And there's a little bump here on the bumper pad. It's just cosmetic. I don't know what's going on here, but there's a bump right here. But I did spend a bunch of money fixing everything that needed to be fixed. It's got new ball joints, sway bar bushing, new battery, serviced. Took care of the dash. Power seats on both sides. Also, these have the fuel management system, which sounds good, but it gives a lot of trouble, so it's been disabled with the program. So now it stays on the V8 mode all the time, and that's what you want. You want trouble free in the future. I have a mechanic who takes care of that on just about all my vehicle. Nice, smooth running, clean engine compartment. Got a brand new interstate battery. The Suburban also comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty on the engine transmission. I can sell you an extended warranty. We have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on my website. To see if this Suburban is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Looking for a sharp luxury SUV, take the whole family on vacation in good condition? This should do it. We have worldwide shipping also. If you need a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime. 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.